Welcome viewers, today we learn advanced tools names. Angle grinder, rotary tool, impact wrench, torque wrench, bench grinder, table saw, miter saw, jigsaw, bandsaw, planer, thickness, planer, jointer, router, router table, CNC machine, laser cutter, plasma cutter, welding machine, soldering station, heat gun, infrared thermometer, multimeter, digital caliper, micrometer, bench vise, dial indicator, air compressor, hydraulic jack, nail gun, brad nailer, rivet gun, staple gun, tube bender, pipe cutter, rebar cutter, crimping tool, wire stripper, thread cutter, tap and die, set, hole saw, step drill bit, core drill, magnetic drill, concrete mixer, power trowel, demolition hammer, wall chaser, tile cutter, glass cutter, stone polisher,